The water festival is the most important celebration in Cambodia. It marks the natural reversal of the Tonle Sap river flow and honor the power of water in the people live. During the water festival, the colorful boat races take place. The people gather along the river to watch and cheer. There are also fireworks, music, and street celebration, making it a joyful time for everyone in the country.